Yo, what's up, guys? So, I want to give a shout out to my friend Omar. He makes these sound effects. He makes these sound effects like this. Like he goes like this. He goes like this. And like he also like does this. And he also and another one is. Yeah, and it's really cool. And he also makes this face. And it's really cool. So yeah, shout out to him. Because he kind of wanted me to make a shout out to him. So Omar, if you're watching this, here you go. But yeah, and also we started decorating for Christmas, as you can see. See, look. Even though that it's not even Christmas yet, and not even Thanksgiving, hasn't even passed yet, and like it's right around the corner, but my parents wanted to do it before we go on our trip to Nebraska. So yeah. Because we come back on November 30th, like at night, so you know. Yeah. So. Oh, and here's another one that I really like. I like the Santa one. The it's like putting it's probably like he's writing down names like for his list, his naughty and nice list. So it's really cool. And he can move too. And that's really cool. These are our nutcrackers, our Lego Christmas creations, some other ones, our stockings. Wait. Some fake nutcrackers, snowman, 2 snowmen. I think that's supposed to be a mom and that's supposed to be a kid. An old-fashioned Santa. And Santa Claus on like a basket, like a Christmas basket. And this, naughty and nice, and I tried. Some lights and a Christmas tree light, and another one. And it's not like a Christmas tree, like another version of it. And we have a whole light on our Christmas lights coming from our lamp, which is really cool. And we got some Santas over here. So yeah. Oh, and some other ones. Yeah. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Happy Thanksgiving. Once again, shout out to Omar. And happy early holidays. Whether it's Christmas, Hanukkah, or any other holiday that you celebrate. Hope you have a good one. All right. Peace out. Oh, and maybe I will make a video when we're in Nebraska for Thanksgiving. So, yeah. Peace.